What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and in this new video. Today I'm still in Switzerland, I'm with Nicola and we just started to hike from Maloja Pass, which is right back there. And today's goal is a beautiful place called Capanna del Forno. It's a mountain hut and it's a perfect viewpoint towards a fantastic valley where a glacier goes down, Forno Glacier. So we're gonna spend the night in a tent. So we have our big backpacks as always. I'm really excited to see this place because it looks awesome. So stay tuned.
Mi mancavano le cionate liofilizzate.
Lunch is done, now it's time to go up at the hut, which is right over that ridge. It's so hot right now. Oh, yes. Have a look at this. It's unbelievable. not much to do at sunset here because the mountains are not getting light, so we're waiting for blue hour and Milky Way and sunrise. So right now it's time for dinner. Okay, so the current situation now is that it's completely dark, there is an amazing sky, and the Milky Way is right over the glacier and the mountains in the background. So there's the line of the glacier leading towards the Milky Way, and it's absolutely insane. And moon is gonna rise very soon. Good morning. Night has been really warm. The moon was in the sky and it started to light up the mountains. And I think the time lapse came out pretty well. Right now, the glow of the sun is starting to light up the peaks, so it's getting wonderful. Alright, so another adventure is almost over. From here to the car there is like 3 hours and a half hiking back down, so it's gonna be pretty long, especially under the sun. It's gonna be super hot. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I've been incredibly happy to discover this place because I mean it's spectacular. Really thanks to Nicola for suggesting this place, and yeah, see you in the next adventure.